how to turn on ads for your interests on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on ads for your interests on Opera Mini. First thing we're gonna do is go to Opera, and first let's go back, and now first thing we're gonna do is click on this Opera icon here in the bottom corner, and then click this settings icon, and now go down until you find her data collection and click on it, and now you will find here this one, display ads personalize it for your interests. Click on it, and as you see now, ads for your interests has been turned on. And that's how to turn on ads for your interests on Opera Mini. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.